Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Guys, it's Marissa again. I'm here at my upline's home. We're doing a chalk day, and I am going to work on a chalkboard and chicken wire frame. And going to use a transfer, and this transfer is home, and you will see here how I'm going to work it, and hopefully you like the project. You can see here I've already stirred our paste and loading it onto the transfer, and I'm going to spread it on the transfer. And my favorite part, reveal time. I can't wait. I can't wait. It is so cool when this happens. Ta-da! I made a little bit of a mistake. There's a little bit of fuzziness where I pointed, but we'll clean that up. So I'm going to take a Q-tip, the kind that has a pointy end, and clean up the fuzziness and to make the M sharper. So I just wet it with water, and I'm now just rubbing and making sure that there's no other fuzziness. Make it really good looking now. So the next thing I'm going to do is add on a layer of wreath. So this is the first layer that I'm going to put on, and I'm going to go ahead and put the chalk on it. And squeegee it. There's about 3 layers to this particular image that we're working on, and so just making sure that it's even throughout. And then if you notice, I'm catching the triangles that are on the top of the transfer, and those are just the registration marks, so I know where I'm going to put the next transfer. You see that? I went ahead and used that registration marks to line up the next transfer. So I'm putting a darker color here, still light green but a little more darker, and I am going to go ahead and squeegee that out and make sure it covers all our silk screen. I'm sorry, I'm the one that's filming this now, so one hand is doing the squeegeeing, the chalking, the other hand is holding on to the camera. So, sorry for all this movement. Revelation time! Oh my gosh. There's the wreath. It's a little off center, but it's okay. So here's the third layer. Again, I lined it up with that triangle registration mark we had earlier. And this time, I'm going to use Peachy Keen on this third layer. So I'm not putting a lot, but just putting on the paste now. I am sorry for all this moving around. Like I told you, I'm doing the videotaping on my left hand. My right hand is doing the chalking. And my favorite part, the reveal. Oh my gosh. There you go, guys. Look how cute. Isn't that so cute? So the next thing I'm going to do here again now is to get the Q-tip to take out the registration marks. So I just sprayed the Q-tip with water and try to get the registration marks erased. So I'm using the pointed end of the Q-tip to take out that little sliver over there, and It didn't work, so I'm going to use the rounded end. There you go, guys. Just being careful not to erase my M or part of my M. Okay, guys, that's it. And how do you like my project? I hope you like it. And again, thanks for watching. Link to ordering all the Couture supplies is in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!